Hello everyone, we are SHLR Technosoft Private Limited. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add a patients to the operation theatre in a smart healthcare application which was completely developed by the SHLR Technosoft. First we need to go for the modules. In the modules drop down you'll find a operation theatre. Click on the operation theatre. You will find sub-modules such as OT patients and add patient over there. In the OT patients, we will find the patient list who are in the operation theatre already, like this. So we will have an option over here, like we can get the particular report of that patient and then we can edit. If not, if you want to delete this, like operation has been done already, we can delete the action, like report of the patient, details of the patient. And we can add a consultant to the particular patient, or we can check the status of the patient and then we can edit the patient status. So now I'll show you how to add a patient to the operation theatre. If in case of emergency patient needs to go for operation theatre, then I'll show you how to add it. So go for add patients here directly in the operation theatre, operation OT patients list, or else you can go for add patient. Both are same. Click on add patient details, then enter the patient type. If it is a IPD patient or OPD patient, I'm going to choose OPD patient. OPD number, then patient name and address of the patient. It's like blood marked or mandatory forms, blood group like not necessary. Then operation name, small surgery, operation type, just what kind of general surgery or what kind of surgery we need to choose, and date of the operation going to conduct, tomorrow or today, and the consultant doctor, and then category, like what category it is, normal, delivery, general surgery. So if they want a charge category, so I'm going to choose it as general surgery again, and a code particular of that. So now I'm going to choose the charge category. I'm going to choose tubectomy and a code for that, and then standard charge will be given. And if there are any applied charges, we need to add applied charges, some 100 I'm going to add, and the document, like the report of the particular operation. And then click on save. This is how you are going to add a patient for the operation theatre, that is OT. So if you want, we can check that. See, we have seen the Suma, she has been admitted for the general surgery by consulted by Dr. Mohammed. So if you want to print a slip, you can print a slip. And if you want to edit the patient details, then we can edit it by clicking on the edit button. Again, it will come like this, the same way. If you want to make changes, then only edit the particular patient details. If you want to delete, we can delete. If you want to add a consultant, extra consultant for that, so we can add the consultant. So like this, we can add what doctor consultant, Dr. Biradar. Like, so I'm going to add a consultant doctor, and the instruction and what instruction date, what is the instruction date. If you want other extra consultant, we can add. And if you want to see check the patient status, okay, we can click on the patient status. We can check the patient particular status. Or else we can edit the patient status. What is the patient status right now? We can edit it. This is how we're going to see the patient complete details in the operation theatre. Thank you, SHLR.